Good morning. I'm Ellie Miriam and I'm the Closet Quilter. I am going to show you how easy frogging on the Cutie frame is. Now I have a ruler base on here and I have my ruler foot and I've been stitching and I just don't like this area right here. It's messy. So I'm going to rip out some. I think I like this area, so I'm going to rip out this area right here. So the way I do it is I take my little hook, and these are the tools I use. This is a Havel, or no, this happens to be a thread nanny, but it has, the point is that it has this hook on it and this scissor. Very nice, very effective. And I use masking tape. Mine happens to be pink today, but any color masking tape will be good to pick up those stray threads. So what I do is I take my hook and I pick out the first, sometimes they're very tiny stitches, but we'll try this one like that. And then I grab the tail, and if you pull on it, it brings up the bobbin oftentimes. Move that out of the way. It's kind of a precarious position here. And if you can't pinch it, you can get a hemostat sometimes. If you happen to have one in your thing, you can grab it that way. Okay, you can grab that and then it will bring up the bobbin and you can hook it and cut it. Let me get that in there, get my hook in there. There, snip, and it pulls. And you can just keep pulling and snipping until you get back to where you want to be. There. It's nice and clean. Now that other section, really tiny threads. Okay, there. Okay. Then you take the hook and go under the bobbin thread that you pull up and snip and pull until you get back to where you want to be. And you have these threads. And what I do to clean up my area is I take my masking tape and I clean it up. Voila. And if you want to snip some more, like this area right here with double threads, I don't like that, so I'm going to snip that. Take my hook underneath. There we go. And just kind of pick at it until I get a little bit of a tail I can work with. And then pull and snip. Pull and snip. You hear that ripping sound? That's the frogging. And there we go. Rip, snip, snip. And I just have to do some sewing there. And I'll just take my tape, clean that up and see what it really looks like. All right, it's a little messy, yeah. Yeah, I'll probably just take that back. There. Yeah, maybe I'll undo that part. But yeah. There we go. Snip. Pull that and snip. Take the hook. Pull and snip. It's very easy to frog on the frame. Yeah, let's try it from this end. There we go. Pull and snip. There we go. Pull and snip. So, pull, snip. I'm left-handed, so it's a little difficult there. There's that bobbin thread. I'm going to be sure and hook just the thread, not the fabric. There. There we go. Pull and snip. Pull and snip. There we go. Seems to be a few layers here that I sewed. So I'll just pick this out. Pull and snip. Oh, I went back and forth. I see what I did. Okay. So, yeah. Pulling and snipping. That's the bobbin thread right there. There we go. There. I can just bring this up. There we go. There. Now I'll just take my masking tape, clean that up. Quick and easy. Super quick and easy. Okay, that's how easy it is to frog on the frame. I hope this has been helpful for you, and be sure and subscribe and comment, and we'll have some more videos today of the feather border and me quilting on the Cutie frame. Have a great quilting day, and thanks for stopping by the Closet Quilter.